Alright, hey, this is Stock Cowboy. Let's see if I can try this again here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you a quick video on what the pinch play is. I had somebody had asked about it, and I told them I'd make a quick video, very quick video on it, because I could go on and just give plenty of examples about the pinch play for quite a while, but I won't do that. I'll give you a quick idea what it is, and then I'll point you in the right direction to go look at some others and talk to some people who really are familiar with it. It's one of the plays that I focus most of my trading on is the pinch. It's very reliable, and I like a lot of stocks that are oversold and are pinching, and often stocks that are oversold are pinching, so they kind of work together. Um, anyway, so this is just an example here of this is a Clearwire. This is a current chart, so December 12th or December 6th, 2011. So basically what the pinch play is, it's basically you have the price percent oscillator on top of the ADX. So in your chart packages, whatever you're using, if you're using freestockcharts.com or stockcharts.com or any of the proprietary platforms that your broker may provide, you can add the indicators and overlays with that. And so you should probably find these in there. Most of them have it. Anyway, so if you were to apply the PPO above the ADX, both of them come together. I colored them both yellow just so you can see, but these are two different indicators here. Basically, the PPO, you can see it ranges from 0 down to negative 21 and up to 21 positive. I don't have it at the zero line indicated. I have it at the negative 10 mark. Basically, when this line gets underneath negative 10, it meets the criteria that I'm looking for. The opposite is with the ADX. When it crosses above 40, that's what I'm looking for. And the key is, of course, to create the pinch, you want them both to do that at the same time. If you look at a year of the chart, a year daily chart looking back for the year, you'll see that they'll often cross above those lines individually, but not very often do they together. ADX does it quite a few times. It touches over it. The PPO often doesn't. You can see it only has twice in the last couple years here. But you can see here's a pinch right here where they're coming together. This was alerted to me back in August. I don't remember if I played it or not. I think I did. But you can see where they come together. And so what the idea is, when they come together like that, you pretty much wait for them to break apart and open up. When that happens, you usually get stock will start running. And you can see here, looking at the line, if you're to go back a day later, this is on August 11th. Better yet, let's go to the 12th here. You can clearly see, if you're looking at the daily chart, that they're opening up. Well, looking at the line here, you could have perhaps bought in at this day on this candle here at about $1.83, let's say. And obviously it's gapped up, it's run up to 337. So that's pretty much the pinch play. There's other factors involved too. I like to keep an eye on volume. I like to have a lot of volume. I try not to hold really for a few days. These aren't necessarily long-term plays. There's swing trades really. I'll try not to hold more than 4 days, or I'll get in and out. I'll protect my profits. But having your entry and exit points defined, that's a separate lesson there. But pretty much that's a pinch play. And there are a lot of good examples. I'll show you a current one right now. This is AMR. You can see, boy, looking back, this one's just been tanking. I think they just filed bankruptcy not long ago. So this is why I haven't played it. Some of these stocks that really plummet like this, I'll definitely look at news. I pretty much follow just indicators and get in and out pretty quick, follow momentum. But in cases like this is American Airlines, I believe. Yeah, I think they're a little bit in trouble. But this has been a great play lately. I mean, today it went up 66%. So, but anyways, you can look at the chart here. We're definitely pinching. Oh, great. Now I got a software error. Gotta love Microsoft Silverlight. Errors on me all the time. But as you can see here, once it reloads, it's pinching really nice right now. Ugh. I'm not doing this video again. Stand by. I'm not a big fan of Microsoft whatsoever, so, and this is why. So anyways, once it comes up here, we'll see AMR is pinching very tightly. All right. Here we are. So definitely, we're down here. The PPO is down here at negative 36. ADX is at 66. You really don't get much tighter than that, and you can definitely see the downward run it's been on. And so definitely hit bottom and kind of hit a base here. And now this is just starting to open up. And I'm getting error messages. It's just starting to open up right now, but we've had quite a run since then. 35 cents to 70, so that's doubled. Anyways, good thing to keep an eye on. And of course, if you want super confirmation too, you can shift to a weekly. I'll shift to a weekly view and see if it's pinching there as well. And of course it is, so that'll give me extra assurance that it's a good move. Let me jump to get out of here. I showed you, I think I gave you a link to the Investors Hub. This is a site I would definitely advise you check out. Be cautious about some of the advice and the comments you read on there. There's a lot of good people on there, but there's also a lot of jokers too. But what I want to show you was, if you go under the user groups, or go to the search and type in pinch, House of Pinchers, there's several groups on here. That's all they focus on. And so people will post pinch plays. They're all going to vary. Some might not have their ADXs cross above 40. They may have it cross above 30, or even tighter where it's like 50. All that's okay. But the idea is that you're going to learn about the pinch plays here. And if you go to the intro message, if you go to the page, you're probably not really seeing my mouse here, but the first time there you'll see an intro page. Looks like this, and it just pretty much talks about the whole idea behind the page. Gives plenty of links on different trading guidelines, setups, educational, everything on the pinch play, and you'll find it very valuable. So check it out, and it's going to cover way more than what I'm definitely mentioning here. But I would definitely check this out. There's a few other pinch play sites on iHub as well, and they're very valuable. You can get a lot of good feedback from others. Yeah, it's very good. So I'll just end that here. This is now my third take. So if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll talk to you later. Happy trading. Thanks.